I'm Kate and this is Dan. We are proud owners of a Katana 411. We are living on her full time and are on a mission to explore more remote parts of this earth. Welcome aboard Niue.
Welcome back, you absolute champions. We just want to spend a second here to say thank you so much for coming back and watching the videos. Those of you who throw up some comments from time to time, it really helps motivate us to keep going and make some more. If you're new here, please do hit that subscribe. It makes a huge difference for us and what our videos look like going forward, so thanks a million.
Oh no! No, I didn't. It's got a bit wet. 20 knots, 60 degrees, 67 knots.
We're just getting started, it's all part of the game. Building anticipation, getting close to the edge. Now you think I see you more than a friend. Better late than never. Now it's all over me. These reflections of you.
The sunset out at Vanuatu. Night number one. Lovely out. Sunset on.
Motoring.
What's going on here? That's what you do in the middle of the Pacific. Showering. Beautiful. Motor sailing, code D up. Just trying to keep our sevens, get away from a bit of a nasty coming in at the end of our trip, but making good ground.
It's all over me. These reflections of you.
Got an albatross over here.
Whoa.
Wow, that thing is huge.
Apparently they don't land on land. Hey guys, so we are halfway. Oh geez, it's bright out here. Halfway to New Zealand. Weather, wind, not so great. It's come like 90 degrees to us and it's about 11 knots, so we've got the code D out and we're running 7 knots with one engine as well because we want at least 7 knots coming into New Zealand to skip the hairiest weather we've seen on Niue. So wish us luck. So what we've got going on is big southerly coming up, and honestly I kid you not, if we left like 10 hours earlier or something like that we would have been fine, but we kind of hit the brunt of it coming into New Zealand, so I'm really not looking forward to that. But today is a really nice day, not a lot of wind, sea state's really calm, not a lot else to report. Spirits a bit nervous I think, with the unfortunate weather that we're coming into New Zealand with, but otherwise we're making really good ground, so I'm pretty stoked with the speed we're going. Interesting, but that's Norfolk, New Zealand, 7 knots, oh, there's us. It's all our things, so our speed, you can see that we're pretty much averaging 7 knots, and we've done 626.
660, probably 670 miles in now, and we got some pretty calm conditions, which aren't ideal because we're trying to out race a bit of a southeasterly flow. So that's alright. We've been keeping up sevens. We've kind of dropped down a little bit, but this is our last little nice evening out here, and then it's gonna all pack up a little bit. So we're sort of ready to get in our wet weathers and get into it.
Surprise.
Tuna surprise.
Oh, it's a bit munted.
It's good.
Is it?
Munted's good.
What's that, Dan, with your white finger?
Yeah, I was checking the sail drive oil and hit my finger and then blew up like a...
Oh
Other story, D-Dog's fish.
no. Yeah.
Yeah. Woo. It's calmed off out here. It's
Yellowfin
beautiful.
too, though, can't you?
Oh look, we have a little bird. Good. Thundercloud over here coming. So we're going to get the code D down and just see what it brings for us. Yeah, wet one I think.
Putting away the code D for the night. Flash bracing for the most hectic storm that we're probably going to have on this boat. So, RIP to me. But we should be okay. Beautiful sunset though. Very moody. Uh-oh. Crash bang.
So, code D is down, but the cloud doesn't look so nasty anymore, so that's a good thing. Perfect.
So, started the weather means New Zealand. Sunlight, freezing. Boys are just refueling. Light rain at the moment. Just hot Pacific. We're in the Southern Sea here, guys. And coming into New Zealand looks even more gnarlier. So quite nerve-wracking really. It's not like a dreamy sail into like your home country and everyone's waving on the beach in their bikinis. Nope, it's like middle of the night, 40 knots of wind, 4 meters swell, hello. And we've got a lot of thinking to do today around what we should do. So I'll keep you guys posted. Last 24 hours on the tools. Here is Captain Dawn. How's it going out here, Chief?
Pretty wounding. Sea state is so rough. Yeah, just crawling over the waves really.
Gotta be pretty onto it.
It's actually just getting a bit nicer now, so let's hope so.
So today will be our roughest day. Currently getting up to 35 knots and 3 meters swell, so, and in the night. So everyone's a little bit nervous with that one and coming into land, so wish us luck. Coming into New Zealand though, we're pretty excited. Hopefully our adrenaline kicks in, so we just slam it through. But at the moment she's like 25 knots, 2 meter swell, very bumpy. See this front out here. And New Zealand is where we want to be over there. The topping lift actually snapped. So we've got the new Halliard line that we brought, actually lucky, and then we got that one there.
was right about now, as we saw the front coming, that we realised our port forepeak hatch had somehow broken out and we'd been taking on water for the last few hours. Inspecting this in the rough seas, we realised it was full to the top, and so we spent our last bit of preparation before the storm emptying the water and re-strapping the hatch down, just to add to the nerves of what we were expecting ahead. Headland before going into Monganui, just out over here. It's a dream of mine back to sailing New Zealand before I was 30. Okay, right now I'm not 30 yet, so pretty fizz. Yeah, real surreal feeling really. It's a big few days of sea. That front obviously came in. And yeah, we were just a bit slow. What a trip. Well done, everyone.
We made it. Alive.
Holy, what have we got here, Kate?
Steak dinner.
Steak dinner. Welcome to New Zealand dinner.
Yeah.
Plates are full.
Steak and taties.
Derek, serve
Nods
her up.
home. D-Dog's dropping. Pumped.
The sunset in New Zealand. Tell you what though, it is freezing. Not into this Pacific. I have to come back. But we're here, we're anchored, we're not allowed to get off the boat because we're not actually supposed to be here, but we've got permission from customs because the weather was so bad that we had to tuck into this little bay. And tomorrow we'll go over to Opua and check in properly, do all that. But tonight we're sitting in this perfect bay. Yeah, had nice dinner and I think everyone needs to sleep. You can see I'm feeling pretty whacked. So, yeah, pretty stoked to be here. Chatting.
Yeah, no, it was like...
The old girl sitting pretty. Such a legend of a boat. Got us here safely. So good.
Yeah. Oh, sunrise coming into the bay. He's naked.
So good.
Just coming past Russell over here into the Bay of Islands. Opua destination down there. All the lines out, ready to get there. Yee-hoo.
Coming in, Dan.
Whee, how's that? Solid mission. Coming into Opua. Quarantine dock just over here.
I don't think they'll be able to get down that finger, but they should be able to get up to the field.
What do you reckon, team? Yeah,
Opua, here we go.
Opua, done and dusted.
Finally, get me on land.
Wow, Kate wants a mochaccino latte
No, I want land.
with oat milk and
Just land.
some frappy in it. But we're still stuck out on this dock. We can't go anywhere. Sailing into New Zealand marks the end of our 6-month voyage from where we bought the boat in Tahiti. We sailed over 5,000 miles over this time, visited many different countries and islands along the way, and made many different friends on other buddy boats. We've had insane clear days diving with whales, sharks and rays, and almost hit a whale shark in Tonga, while constantly navigating around the plentiful whales themselves. We got to surf uncrowded perfection in Fiji, but it's not all fun and games. We knew our last voyage would be the toughest, and as you have seen, it was a pretty rough and rolly return trip back to NZ. But we're glad to be on this side, and it's time to plan where we're heading next. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you on the next one.